Diwali is the most auspicious festival in our Indian culture, and we are making Diwali bunting for the same. This is to wish all our family members, all our friends, everyone happy Diwali. This is the most loved festival. Diwali is here from lights, delicious sweets, and gifts. The festival is all about spreading cheer. It's also the time to remember your near and dear ones. Now, this year, you'll make this beautiful bunting for your friends and family and decorate your home with it. Let us all pray. All the lights of the world cannot be compared even to a ray of the inner light of the self. So, illuminate your inner light and spread happiness. Merge yourself in this light and enjoy the festival of lights. May the supreme light illumine your mind, enlighten your hearts, and strengthen the human bond in your homes and communities. A warm Diwali wish for everyone. May the warmth and splendor that are a part of this auspicious occasion fill your life with happiness and bright cheer and bring to you joy and prosperity for the whole year. May this Diwali bring universal compassion, the inner joy of peace and love, and the awareness of oneness to all. Happy Diwali to you all.